Lots and lots of people have signed up for the new electric cars that are coming out. The autonomous vehicles are starting to hit different cities. So I'm very curious to see how that impacts our lives as it starts to really roll out beyond just a kind of a pilot proof of concept phase.
You know, what I'm excited about is to see companies that were the real original innovators, like Vonage, for instance. And those guys are expanding their business like massively in just the last 2 years, going from just residential to different lines of business that they're supporting.
And I'm excited to see the continuation of the surgical robotics platforms that are coming about. There are some that are already on the market today, but I think that there's going to be a big push to continue expanding into that space. And I'm excited to see kind of the developments that they're making and the new kinds of surgeries that they're able to perform. The reason that customers are making those products are because they are actually more accurate than the human hand in a lot of instances. So they're able to perform more concise surgeries and in more difficult locations on the body by using those robotics platforms versus the human hand.
So one of the customers I have worked with is developing an autonomous vehicle technology that they've been testing pretty extensively. But for the first time in 2017, they're going to be partnering with cities and transportation companies to roll it out for actual use. So I'm very excited to see how the autonomous vehicle is received among people. When they step into your next taxi cab and no one is at the wheel to drive you, how are people going to react?
So Jama is currently working with a company out of the Bay that is a joint venture between a couple of really large companies you've probably heard of in the healthcare and medical space. Together they actually invested to create this new surgical company that's building these new robotics platforms. And the new system just launched actually late last year, beginning of this year. So it'll be really interesting to see what other kind of products and enhancements they continue to come out with in that space.